All right, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys had an awesome day. I'm gonna go ahead and do the nightly analysis video of the setups that I'm looking for in the markets and how I plan on attacking them. So let's go ahead and dig into it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dollar and see what the dollar did today. So the dollar did pretty much exactly what we intended to do that I saw this morning when I was looking at the dollar. I was looking for a reversal move within the overall larger reversal move play that we had here, and that's exactly what we got. Just to recap real quick on it, I'm going on a tighter time frame. We played this head and shoulders. Well, I played this head and shoulders pattern. That was right here. So when I noticed the market, rallying up, pushing, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then when we took out this lower low, this higher low, and we took it out, I knew, you know what, we're probably gonna get a head and shoulders pattern here or a reversal pattern. I'm looking now for a price to retest this area and then go ahead and take a move to the downside, and that's what we got. So since that has happened, we have broken major support, and that is what I was looking for in my in the video that I stated, I believe, last night. What I was looking for as to start my overall larger move to the downside, and I believe that we're going to retrace this margin that we've had here, and this is going to be our correction that I'm looking for in the market. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you guys can get a better look at this. So this zone right here, to me, I am looking at the zone very detailed, because what I wanted to see the market do here is to continue breaking down, during these after hours of the trading session, of course. And I wanted to pull back, okay? And when it pulls back, this is where I intend to get short on the dollar. So any USD pair, I'm looking to sell the dollar and buy the opposite pair. So on the Euro USD, I'm planning on to long the Euro USD. And I'll go ahead and show you guys an example of that in just a minute here. Let me go ahead and minimize this. So now you see what I'm looking for on the dollar. I'm looking for further weakness on the dollar. If the price does do this, that's how I will react to the market. If the price doesn't do that, let's say if it keeps falling down, then I'm not going to take any trade until I get that retest at that level. If price decides to just go back and continue to get more buying pressure, well, then I'll remain out of the market until either it breaks the 96.35 handle and then for retest, or until it completes my analysis move that I'm waiting for to happen. Okay. Now looking at the Euro USD, I'm looking for the euro to gain some strength. Since the dollar is going to show some signs of weakness, I'm looking for the euro to gain some strength. So I am looking to be long sometime, from early to tomorrow morning until the following day. During that time frame, I plan on at least being long on the euro, as long as the dollar does follow. It's a pattern that I'm looking at right now. Okay. Now looking at the other Forex pairs. Let's see here. Let me go and pull that up. So as far as the other pairs go, the other pairs are giving me clear reversal patterns too. On the USD CAD, you have your double top. On your pound USD, your double bottom. On your USD yen, you have your head and shoulders play here, and we broke it down below that. Well, I'll go ahead and zoom in. So see how we have the shoulder play here. Price volume broke down below the neckline, closed, and now we tested up to the backside of this right here, and so now we're looking for further weakness in the dollar for price to continue to go down further. And so the USD yen is a nice play that's already set up for me right now. Now it's just waiting for the dollar to just get weak. And so when the dollar starts to get weak, along with the Euro USD, if I do see, if the setup does continue to still stay good for the USD yen, I'll be looking for a trade on the USD yen as well. And then also on the USD Swiss franc, the USD Swiss franc also has a nice double top that has formed as well, and it's floating right there at the, I call it the neckline, and we just broke below it, so you want to see further, a breakdown, retesting, a continuation down. Again, as long as the dollar holds its pattern, I'll be looking to buy other currencies and be selling the US dollar based on the USD pairs. Okay. Now the only other market that I want to take a look at, and again this is on the stock side, but it's real quick, is UGAS and DGAS. Okay. So let me go and pull up the chart And this is what I'm looking for when it comes to the stock trading portion of things. DGAS, actually, let me go on a larger time frame so we can get a better view of what's going on in the market. So DGAS is currently is trending down very aggressively. Okay, and the cool thing about DGAS, its counterpart UGAS has very similar price action and is pretty much just reversed. So it has the same price action, just reversed, similar to the dollar and also the Euro USD. And so when I see that, I go, okay, all right. Even though we're in a downtrend here on UGAS, which I'll show you right now, UGAS. It is showing signs of a potential reversal pattern potentially forming, and the looks right now of a potential head and shoulders pattern. So we see here how we made, you know, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. However, the reason why this level, I didn't play off this level this morning, was because we were at a very major resistance area on this level. We had price really aggressively move away from this level, and with me being this close to this level, I didn't want to get long here and then take advantage of that move, because during, I believe it was the pre-market hours, price actually already rallied to that level before the market opened, before I could even trade that market, right? And so when I saw that, I said, hey, you know what? I may not want to get into this market and play a long position here. I may, I'm going to sit this one out and see how the market reacts. And right now, it's kind of limbo right now. It's kind of in the middle, kind of figuring out what it wants to do. Does it want to break this level? Does it want to break below this level? If it breaks above this level, I am interested. I want to see a clean break, a retest, and then a continue to the upside. That's what I would do if price decides to go higher. If price does decide to break down to the downside, I want the price to break below this level here, right? I want to break down, retest, and then I'll continue on to sell off on the momentum here, looking to buy DGAS. Okay, if price does continue to go higher, then I will continue to buy UGAS. And if we do get a break to the downside, that would also initiate the head and shoulders pattern, which is the reversal pattern, and I will be looking to retrace this margin that we built in along this move as we had that continuous uptrend in this market. And again, this market does need some kind of correction to an extent, not as hard as the dollar has, but it still needs some type of correction to correct itself from this big aggressive move. Okay, so besides that, though, these are the markets that I'm looking at. Of course, when I wake up in the morning, I will reanalyze and see what markets did what during the overnight session, during the London session, and kind of go from there. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video helps you guys on what trades I'm looking at, and I hope you guys are trading is going great. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading, and I'll see you guys in my next video.